Hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of my lower body and also combo Sports Rehab Tourniquet. What I want to also discuss with you is just a couple little modifications to how you use the tubing and the pump, which will make its use a lot better. So when you open it up, just remove any packaging and you can throw that in the bin. As you'll note with most of the cuffs, and as per my instructional video, that the black tubing is on the end of the valve. And I talk about in the instructional videos about carefully placing it into the end of the pump just a little bit to inflate it. What I have found though is some users actually been sticking it in quite hard, and what they'll find is it's really difficult to pull it out. And over time, that'll wear this plastic housing of the pump, making the pump not usable. To make it a little bit easier, what I'd like you to now do is to pull the black tubing off and to firmly place that into the end of the pump. And just keep this now permanently like so. What you'll also notice is that the valve is tapered, and this will make it a lot easier to just carefully place it in, only a little bit, remember, just to get enough grip to inflate. And it'll work exactly the same way. What you can then do is, with the other piece of black tubing, take that off and store that into the little zipper here. Here now I've got my combo upper and lower body set. As you see when you open it up, there is both 2 lower body and 2 upper body. What I've done here is similarly, I've taken the long bit of tubing which belongs to the upper body cuff, so you can actually inflate it yourself, and I've actually pushed that permanently all the way in. And I've taken all the tubing out on the lower body cuffs and the upper body cuffs, so you'll note that there's no black tubing anymore, and you can then put the tubing from the upper body cuff, doesn't really matter whether it's the upper or lower body. What I've done then is your spare tubing now sits in the side here. As a result, I think having this kind of formation in here permanently the whole time will save that wear once again on that plastic housing for the tubing, and will also make it a lot easier irrespective of whether you're using your lower body or your upper body cuffs. Yeah. In terms of putting this away nice and neatly, put them next to each other with the valves like so, put the pump with the tube around, and then these fit just nicely with the valve facing down. You just have to roll them up nice and neat, close that. In summary, what I'd like you to now do is to take the tubing out of the valve and stick that firmly into the end of the pump so that it will fit nicely into the taper of the valve when you pump it up, and you'll find that it will come out a lot easier when you use it. If you do have any questions around its use or any questions just in general, please contact me through my website. I'm always here to help you out, and hopefully you'll get long use out of your Sports Rehab Tourniquet. Thanks for watching.